What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today is literally January 1st, it is New Year's Day, and we're going to be going and checking out an all Corvette car show. It's actually being hosted by the Lone Star Corvette Club, and it's their annual event that they do, and usually they'll have over 100 Corvettes all in one spot. So it should be a fun time, and we're going to take the C8 Z06 over there, so let's get on the road and head it over there. Alrighty guys, so a lot of cool Corvettes here. Definitely every single generation of Corvette is represented here, from C1, C2, C3, C4, all the way to C8 Corvette. And there's some really cool, like, beautiful ones, including a Callaway Corvette. It was a 1991 Callaway Corvette in a beautiful purple that I absolutely loved how it looked. I went I had never seen a Callaway Corvette before. If you're not as familiar, I don't want to butcher it because I'm trying to think off the top of my head, but it's essentially one of the rarest Corvettes that was twin turbo, that was supposed to be able to hit like 200 miles an hour back in like a C4 generation Corvette, which was unheard of. Definitely was one of those that was just, it produced a massive amount of horsepower. I'll probably put like a little bit of stats or something like that to kind of showcase, because I'm terrible at trying to remember the facts like right off the top of my head. But it was a beautiful car, super rare, manual convertible version. One of those things where you just don't see that kind of car. And so really, really cool to see that kind of car. And even certain other cars like a C1 Corvette that I talked to the guy that owns it, that he like drives it on a normal basis and autocrosses it. And that's right, autocrosses his C1 Corvette, which was something that I thought was absolutely insane. Because usually any kind of C1 Corvette, at least nowadays, those are just like babies that they're usually just taken care of, their garage kept. This one is like, you know, actually seeing track duty. So that was actually really, really cool to kind of see and talk about. But in any case, I think that is going to wrap up today's video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.